This chapter will cover more of the gritty details in data cleaning. We begin with working with data types. Here's an example data frame. We expect the name and sex columns to be strings and both treatment values to be numerics. We can call the dtypes attribute on the data frame to get the types of each column. Here, you see that the name, sex, and treatment columns have a dtype of object, and the treatment B column is stored as an integer. The object dtype is a general representation in Python that is typically encoded as strings. Now that we know what dtype is stored in each column of our data frame, there may be times when we want to convert from one type to another. Numeric columns can be strings or vice versa, like our treatment A column example. We can convert the column to a string or object type, for example, by passing in the str parameter to the asType method of the column. Some variables, such as sex, are more than string objects. They actually represent different groups or categories. We can pass in category into the asType method to convert this column into a categorical variable. Here, you can see the changes to the dtypes of our data frame. For columns that contain categorical data, such as male, female in a sex, converting data into categories have a few use cases. They make the data frame smaller in memory, assuming you have a few unique values in the column. When you're ready to incorporate your data set into other Python libraries and analysis libraries, some of them can utilize categorical variables in their analysis. If we expect a column to be a numeric dtype, but has been loaded as a string, this is a typical sign of bad data that needs cleaning. In our example data frame, treatment A is stored as a string because of the missing value stored as a dash. In this example, we can use the toNumeric method on the column and the errors parameter to coerce values into a numeric. This will convert all the values in the column into numeric. For invalid values in the column, it will be set as a NaN missing value. If we do not pass in the errors equal coerce argument, then Python will return an error because it will not know how to turn the string dash into a numeric value. Now it's your turn to work with data types in Pandas.